Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can check your Google account subscription. So in here, what you need to do is open the settings in your Android phone and scroll down until you find the Google option. This one, Google Services and Preferences. Now here, if you have more than one Google account, you can select in this. You can choose which one to check, and after that click on manage your Google account, this one. And so in here, to check the subscription, you just need to swipe until you find the payment and subscription option. Just click on that. And here, to check your history of subscription, you can just scroll down, and here, subscription, you can click on manage subscription, and you can see the list of the current subscription or the one in the inactive one. This is the inactive one, or the history of my subscription in the past. And if you want to check the purchases, you can scroll up, and here, purchases on the Google account. There is no purchasing on my Google account. So I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.